For today's hot oil treatment, we're going to be using olive oil. Just regular olive oil. So we're going to be using olive oil. So the first thing I'm going to do is pour it into a container, and I'm just using this plastic Tupperware bowl thing. So, and even though my locks aren't like super thick or anything, I still want to make sure I have enough to really saturate them. Ooh, I feel like that should be enough. But before I go warm up my hair, before I go warm up this oil, I do want to show you guys what my locks are looking like right now. They're a little dry, not too dry, but like, I need a wash. But this is what they're looking like. This is what my locks are looking like. They're growing so long, even though I've experienced a little bit of breakage, you guys. So I'm not gonna pretend that I have this like super sensible way that I do this. I just like to tie up one side and pour the oil on the other side. I'm gonna pour the oil from this into here. I took the oil out of here and poured the hot oil inside of it. So now I'm just going to literally put it on my scalp. Ooh, that hot oil feels good. I ain't about to lie. But yeah, I'm gonna put it all on my scalp first to start with. Before I put more on the length of my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the other side as well. All over it. Do not be stingy with that oil. And especially because my locks are colored, I do focus more on the colored portion to make sure like it's really getting the oil. And of course, ooh, it's hot. So that you can make sure you're really getting to everything. Split it in different ways. All right, so this is what my hair is looking like. Excuse the oil that's dripping on my face. I can't even see too well. This is what it's looking like, all juicy. I don't want to squeeze it because the oil's gonna drip everywhere, but this is what my hair is looking like with all the oil inside. Don't worry about the roots, really stimulate it. Now that we're done with this step, you see all that oil everywhere? Yeah. So if you have a, what is that thing called? Oh, a shower cap. This one you want to place on your head. Me, I use what I got. And what I got right now is some trash bags. Out of the vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna oil drip all over my face. But we're gonna make sure you get all the pieces in there. Yay, that's a tie. Don't even gotta be a tight tie, y'all. All down. Anyway, now that we're at this step, what I like to do is of course incorporate the dryer. You don't have to, you can sit around like this and be just fine, or you can sit under a hooded dryer. I'm going to use my hooded attachment. I'm gonna put that on and sit under for about 15 minutes and then we can rinse it out. All right guys, so we're done letting the oil marinate. All right, you guys, so now I'm just about to wash my hair and then go about moisturizing my hair as I always do. I'm not gonna show me washing my hair again. If you wanna see that, I do have a wash video already on my channel, so you can go check that out. I use pretty much the same products. But when I get back, I'm going to just go through moisturizing my hair and what I do typically, and yeah.